Hey everybody, you're watching GT Sam. I'm Sam, and you ever have that notion or feeling that you want to do something good for somebody to help them out? Well, I do. So I went ahead and bought a family member a car to replace their old one. You remember that white, old, crusty Toyota Highlander, right? Well, the family still has it, and I'm kind of tired of it, and I wanted something better, more reliable and fun and comfortable for the family to drive around in. So I went ahead and bought an Acura MDX from 2008 with high mileage. I mean, how bad could it be? It's got a few things here and there, but nothing we can handle, right? Well, judging from the cover photo you saw, it might be a little bit more than just a little bit.
Here we are in the Acura MDX 2008. Already fixed one issue. The car was kind of vibrating, wobbling all over the place, but now it's not, because as you can see, all of the pressures are correct. We could go home and wipe all this nasty grease out of all the interior here. Man, it's just like everything, just that shining grease. Like it's like someone just put Goo Gone on everything. So it's pretty, yeah, it's you know, it's something.
So now my shoes are covered in that greasiness, so I'm like slipping and sliding all over the place inside. But anyway, so I got some mild detergent here, glass cleaner, all natural, and then I wet a rag with some water. Just spray a little bit on the rag itself, but not too much. You know, if you have everything too greasy, you know, like the floor mats and like the pedals, you know, you're gonna slide all over the place, and that's just, again, dangerous. It's not safe, not healthy, anything like that. So we gotta degrease. Oh, look at that, you see right there, I think. Oh, ew, look, did you see that? Oh, ew, no. Dang, look at that corrosion though. Like, how? That's crazy. I just ate the aluminum. Okay, anyways, so that's definitely this gloss. Easy, right? Oh yeah. Okay. Wait a minute. This got replaced. Wait a minute. Oh, you know what? That's why the airbag light's on. Wait a minute. What is this? No way. Stitch this back up by the front bump. That's why the front bumper in the back different, because of that ding. I had to replace this, and then there might not be a side airbag in here. Well, that's interesting. That's something you don't notice every day. Oh boy, we got a lot of investigation to do. Yeah, that's definitely, look at that. It's a big hole. Die, grease, die. No more of that greasy hair gel. I'm gonna go ahead and pop right into the engine bay here. See what else we got. It never ends, people. Right in your face, right there. Look it! Ooh, ouch. Ooh, ah, jeez. Oof, hurts my eyes. It's so greasy.
Holy crap, I just lost all steering and power. We're dead in the water, we're out. Everything's clunking and clapping, and I gave it the boost in first gear, gave it the beans, and kablooey! Something just exploded. It does not smell good. This is not good, guys. This is not good. Oh, no. There's smoke. Did we just get had? Dude. Holy, what the heck, man? The belt? Wasn't the belt? That was something else. Wait, the belt's like severed. Oh wait, hold on a second. Oh wait, the power steering pump hose. Well, where did it go? Where did my hose blow up? Where could it be? Alright, no go. I didn't find anything on the side of the road. I guess the hose is still stuck in the car somewhere. I hate to look. Wow, I got a nice trail going here. Well, time to go for probably about a 2-mile walk. That sounds about right. Alright, I got my good shoes on. Here we go. Alright, I think it's a good spot for a snack break. Alright, got some IQ bars here. Oh, I got this really healthy drink here. I'll go with this one. We gotta stay light and loose. I gotta stay on my feet. A time like this. Look, so picturesque. So much nature. Wow. And so here I am sitting outside of work, just waiting. Waiting for what? The tow truck. And where's the tow truck taking this car? To the shop. My shop. So this wouldn't be the GT Sam way if I just like took the car and brought it to mechanics for them to fix it. Now, I think this is something kind of, I don't want to say easy, I really don't want to say easy. Something simple. We go ahead, replace the belt, replace the steering pump hose, wherever that blew off to, I have no idea. Clean it up, and then put in brand new, fresh OEM Acura power steering fluid. I wanted to change the fluid anyway, so this works. This works. Wow, it's still leaking, look at that. And just like that, we're here back in the shop, and we're having an Acura
here? Well, it's time to dig into this, and I realized I don't actually have one of my backup cars here that actually I have a key for, so that stinks. My two Cadillacs here, the one I had the key for that doesn't work, and I don't have the other key for the car that does work, so that wasn't good planning. We gotta fix this tonight, or else I'm stuck here. So let's get working on this right now, because I'm gonna need some parts.
We are on the side of the engine here, so let's take a look around. We can kind of tell things have been leaking for a long time. Coming to the power steering pump for a long time, but this is built up skunk.
And we are now in the shop truck. So getting on our way in the F-150. Yeah, perfect shop truck for getting parts runner. So my exhaust sounds cooler than yours. Here we go. Oh yeah. Gotta get a lot of things from the local parts store. I don't want to pay full price, but I have to. We couldn't find the hose I needed. Like, it's discontinued. They also don't carry it, but it's also impossible to find. Even parts referencing and cross-referencing and all that kind of stuff all in between. Like, it was crazy. We tried so many things, so many different ways. I went to Acura site, Rock Auto, tried to cross-reference things, nothing. What we ultimately did is we then just cut a tube. We cut a tube and sized it up. But before that, I had to actually go back and go ahead and get the reservoir to actually size it up and fit that on there to make it fit. So then go back again and then back again. But then, so we finally sized it up, got the parts, got the clamps, and then we also got a new, I'd say pretty nice Super Team belt. So we're making it. That took a long time, as just usual with all these car projects. But I'm very happy with the results. I went in there, and shout out to Anthony at the shop there at AutoZone, because he hooked me up. He really helped me out and really took a lot of time to help me, and he was great to work with.
In the midst of finishing up, let's go a little bit over everything. So here's our belt. As you can see, it started to just shred. Good thing we stopped when we did. Could have been a lot worse. This could have been kablooey. So I'll just go right in the trash. But I went ahead and topped off the oil, put a little more mystery oil in there. Dot 30 fluid for brakes. Our battery hold down is complete junk. I don't know where this came from. This is like some cheap eBay thing. It's like a little rubber thing and snaps right in half. So who knows? I might be able to super glue that. We'll find out. But let's take a look. Fresh, clean, very clean. Not as greasy and oily. Not hairy either. So went ahead and put the Super T belt on. Went ahead and here's our new hose, clamps. Cleaned this up. Got the, of course, only power steering fluid from Acura, formulated for this vehicle specifically, and we are completely dry. I tried to drain more out of it, but it has nothing in it. It all came out all over the engine, all over the road. So we're completely out. So we'll let this is a full. Let's cycle through. Let's go. Then we also tapped this off to get rid of that warning light as well, and also put some more brake fluid in there, so it helps with braking. And I think some of those other errors that we had before will go off too. Now, what else we got? Just a lot of awesomeness happening right now that everything's all cleaned up. I'm very happy it's not as disgusting as it was, but that part's gonna be over. Now, we just gotta go ahead, start this up, and hope for the best. All right, engage. Check that out. Smooth. A little foaming, little bubbles in there from some air, but not bad. Very smoky from all those residual fluids. That's it. We're done. She smokes like a son of a gun for some reason. I think the valve covers are completely shot, and so leaking oil like crazy. But she's up and running well, and I could already tell that the injector cleaner is doing its job. So time to grab my gear, get on out of here.
Well, that didn't really go as planned, obviously, but I was expecting this vehicle to be a little more robust than just having a power steering pump hose pop right off. It seems a little weak and a little suspicious too on maybe how things could possibly go from here. I don't really know, but we're gonna make sure this is in tip-top shape before I hand it over to the family. So guys, what do you think about this video and this vehicle? I thought they'd be a little more robust, but I could be wrong. Leave me comments down below. I want to hear your experience with the Acura MDX from 2008 and similar years. And also, if you make sure you guys subscribe for more videos on this vehicle and much more to come. I can't wait to show you what I have come along the way here. And make sure you give this a thumbs up if you like this video, guys. So with that, I hope to see you in the next ones coming up here. But for now, this is GT Sam. I'm going to catch you next time.